Hello friends, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm. And today, we are visiting at one of the Swastic projects. The project is under construction and as you can see, the foundation is being laid. This project is exactly located at 2x1D, Gobinda Auddy Road, Chetla Kolkata. So here as you can see, this way goes to New Alipur and this way goes to Rajbihari. This project offers 2 and 3 BHK apartments for the residents. Its possession will be available by April 2020. So as here you can see, the foundation is going on. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel and for booking, call us at the given number. Thank you.